in a center bus, post to post. Shut it up on it, knock off the rest of the game. So, we always do the impossible. Yeah, man. So, whenever we got Blue Moon carry the excavator around the boss. Real wicked man, you know. You know, man. Now stop being props, come here, tell us, yo. See if I come and find just a boss fight. You know, it doesn't matter how fucking man fight the wicked arm because, you know, they want the hard. If I dey yard when they come to drive a truck about all the time. Real general. Yeah. Real general. Yeah, man. So, you know my boss. Touch the street. And when they touch the street, they don't just do wicked man up our area. Yeah, man. So, Rogat. Yeah. Rogat, we're outside. Yeah. It's a weekend, I'm a long, you know, so guess how I'm going to know. Yeah. Say the money out of the rope from the bank, they say me now, me have to pull it out, me have to pull it over. Yeah, pull it.
Yo, when the girl get the chance to slide up, catch a fire. Yeah, but
Want some more gear in the box, that thing kind of, yeah, you know, get cut so fast. Full kill.
Foot player. Yeah, I'm gonna end it now.
Yo, live on. Yeah, boy, we need a car that got out, you know? You have to leave your roadside.
Can you just lift up now on the left foot? Oh, that door, my foot. See that?
Outside, for the girl, them outside.